Hi, it's Mr. H, and today we're going to work on line 105 naturally for alto saxophone. First, I'll play it for you. 1, 2, ready, go. In order to know how to play this song, we have to review naturals. Naturals were first introduced on line 73, Hot Muffins, on page 16. According to the definition in the book, a natural sign cancels a flat or sharp and remains in effect for the entire measure. What this basically means is that a natural note is not sharp or flat. If you look at the first note of Hot Muffins, the first note is A. I suppose you could call this A natural if you'd like to, but there's no reason to. As we go into the second measure, you'll notice there's an F natural. Why is there a natural sign here and not on the notes before it? In this song, the natural is needed because of the key signature. At the beginning of this song, there is an F sharp. The sharp sign is on the F line, and it means that all Fs are sharp. The composer wants the note in the second measure to be regular F, not F sharp. So the composer has to cancel out the sharp sign by placing a natural. The second part of the definition says that a natural sign remains in effect for the entire measure. If you look at the fifth measure, you'll see the first note has an F natural, and then the other notes in the measure are just F. There's no natural sign. So are those notes F natural or F sharp? Because the natural lasts for the entire measure, all those notes are F natural. So now that we understand naturals better, let's go back and take a closer look at line 105. In this song, the first thing we have to do is check the key signature. The key signature for this song is two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. The first sharp is on the top line, that's the F line, and therefore all Fs in this song are sharp. The second sharp in the key signature is on the third space. The third space is for Cs, so that means all Cs in this song are sharp. So when the song starts, we're thinking that it will have all F sharps and C sharps. But as we go along, we'll notice that there will be some naturals. So the first note of this song would be a D, then we have a C sharp because of the key signature. If we skip to the third measure, you'll see a C natural. The composer doesn't want the C sharp that's in the key signature, so this will be C natural. Moving on, the next type of C we have will also be a C natural. And then moving on, we have a C natural. And then the composer wants a C sharp. Because the natural sign lasts for an entire measure, the composer has to write a sharp sign in. The sharp sign will actually cancel out the C natural and return us back to the original key signature. Let's go ahead and try and play the song one more time. Look out for all those C sharps and C naturals. 1, 2, ready, go. So if you're still having difficulty, don't worry about it. Just try again. It can be helpful to go slower, and definitely want to practice small sections. Just work on the parts that are giving you trouble. If it's still not going well, take a break maybe go on to a different song and come back to this one again tomorrow. It can take many practice sessions to learn something difficult. That's why we need to practice numerous times a week rather than one long session. And always remember, the more you practice, the better you get. See you next time.